Hey, this is my Linea 726 boiler, currently on hot water and radiator, and now I'm just going to turn the hot water tap on. You'll hear the tap running, but listen to the noise. The boiler seems to have fired up. As you can tell, the banging noise occurred. There's no pressure changes, and the boiler seems to have now fired up. The hot water is now warm, so the boiler is working perfectly, or appears to be. So that is the hot water system. Alright, now I'm going to use the central heating system. Alright, the boiler's fired up for this heating system. Have a listen. And after that bang, the central heating system will be warming up with no further problems.